hey, come make some egg bites with me. Okay, so first thing you want to do is get eggs, ham, and any green that you want, you know, any vegetables. Put it in a bowl, whisk it, and there you go, right? You're gonna add some pepper, some salt, you know, whisk that, and you're gonna get some oil, butter, spray, and you're gonna spray the cupcake pan. You know, get it really good, all right? Because you don't want them to stick, right? You want them to fluff up and then be able to slip out easily. Pour the mix in, put some cheese on it, and then put it in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And then you take them out once they're done. See how all fluffy they get. You know what I'm saying, bro? And they gonna slip out easily because of the oil. And there you go, egg bites. Not bad for my first time.